And in today's video we're going to take a ride with our favorite electric scooter. You could ask, what's that white on the front? Well, it's advanced blurring technology. That's what it is. So let's take a ride. Power! Alright, calm down, calm down. I'll just change my brake pads. Let's see, are they working correctly? Let's go this way. Power! And braking. Nicely, gently braking. Oh yeah, nice. Very good brakes. Testing again, nice and hard test. Oh, slipping the back tire. It's great. Going this way or through the city? Let's go this way. Bam, bam, and jam, and wham. Woo. Okay. Ooh, it is a bit windy. A bit. Ooh. You know what? I was removing a back fender. Winter check the back wheel. Because I was removing the back fender, and yeah. Always after a couple of kilometers check it if everything is okay, because you could generally kill yourself. Okay, that's fine. That's nice. And again, that's the wrong way. That's good. That's good. That's tight. Tight. Tight, tight, tight. God damn it, I have to do it again. OCD. Tight. That's great. Alright, someone is calling me. What is that? Panie jadę. Alright. Whatever. Stop calling me, please. Alright, I have to text him because he'll be calling me all day long. Whatever, fuck it. He doesn't need anything. He probably wants to borrow money. I'm broke. I'm a poor person. I don't have any money at all. And they still wants to borrow money. That's crazy. You know what? I have a feeling that the left brake lever is jamming. It's jamming for the I mean, it's jamming the sensor. I think sensor is fine and dandy. I think the lever is doing something unexpected, and sometimes it's not releasing the brake, electronic brake, because physically everything is okay, but electronically, oh, like now. Whew, that's quite dangerous. I don't like that. God damn it. I'll probably need to replace it, the whole thing. Question is this just a sensor or the whole thing? Anyway, power! It's so windy! Woo! Ah! It doesn't look like it, but trust me, it's fucking freezing! And I didn't bring my gloves! Power! Okay, brake. Brake. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I have the regular bicycle helmet, so I cannot go crazy too much. Okay, I don't see what's going on behind him, so yeah, be gentle, did nothing. Woo! Bam, bam, bam! Wham! Aye! We have a green light? We do have a green light. Woo. Power! Damn. Okay, we have to come down. A lot of sand, quite slippery. Woo. I mean, the sun is blasting, but trust me, it is cold. Bam, bam, bam. Let's go, let's go. brake, 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 brake. You see, I know the road. I've been here many times, so I know where I can push it and where you cannot push it. Oh, very nice dog. Very nice dog. Well, visually. Jesus. Woo, it was so cold. It still is. Woo. Alrighty then. Okay, that's enough speeding for today. The rest will be a gentle ride. Is this straight? Probably not. Sorry for that if it wasn't straight. I'm using our original GoPro mount, well, chest mount, which is not ideal. Well, it's broken already. It's very easy to break. I don't know what plastic they use, but it's too thin. Thin! And it's breaking very easy. The second market chest mounts are way better. No kurwa jedź. See how dangerous it was? I don't know if he's going to stop or not. So yeah, I have to wait until it stops completely. You see how dangerous it was? It just blocked me in the middle of the road. It needs to be replaced. Oh, I will just disconnect that freaking yeah, why not just disconnect it? Yeah, let's do that. Let's just disconnect, because it's yeah, it's dangerous. Which one is it? This one. You're out. It's better to not have it than to have it when you don't want it. My English is still not that great, but I hope you understand me. Okay, now I feel safer.